This is a flopped gaming video, and I am about to transform it into a viral video in just over 1 hour. I'll show you the process of how I managed to edit hopeless footage into peak entertainment. Because there are tons of bad edited and boring videos on YouTube. Even I made them myself. But as my editing got stronger, I got glued to the fact that every single video can be great if it's edited right. But this challenge is not easy. Still, it was worth it, and at the end you'll see what I mean. So let's get started. Subscribe. Alright, yo, what's up? So yeah, I got my files right here, and I'm just gonna open DaVinci Resolve. I'm just click on new project. Now I'm gonna name this project the viral gaming video. Question is, how can I turn a boring video into an entertaining video? It ain't easy when the person is literally doing nothing.
Bats, man, they should be getting on their knees.
I need to figure something out. I'm gonna just start with this one right here. I'm gonna just put this inside here. Bro, this guy's mic doesn't even work. I think this is a nice way to start a video. Just this random ass rap right here. Cut it. I'm gonna clip this out because I don't want the wait to be that long, you know what I'm saying?
No, I don't know what you're saying. Well, don't worry. By the wait,
I mean this.
I basically have to work with footage that doesn't have any value.
And if a footage has no value, then it's GG's.
I'll link it down below if you want to check it out after this one.
And it's only easier to make those videos with your support, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, so I want to do something creative here. I want to make a custom background music for what are being said in this type of broadcast freestyle right here. Plan is that I'm going to use AI. Make me a prompt for a background music rap freestyle nice. Okay, we send this and see, and this AI person right here is gonna bless us. Paste this prompt right here, instrumental, and create.
Hold on, yeah, I can teach that beast my.
Okay, yeah, right off the bat, this is the one. Let me download this one. But yeah, I'm gonna just drag it inside here. Started the clip a little bit sooner. Okay, and here, delete this and drag this back in here. And this one, we're gonna do something with this one. No, I wanted to start here, and then we put a keyframe, and then the video is gonna end here. Okay, so I also want to change the witness color, so I want this to change over time. Then change here. Okay, let's see how it is. I want to transition here too. And we are also gonna add some glow on this. And yeah, right now it struggles. Alright, so we are done with the first 5 seconds of the video. Wow! Now we gotta move on to the more harder next 10 seconds. How do we do this? Well, don't worry, I'm a pro editor. I can do everything. I assume that in this freestyle, it's been said with the gun said to me. So I will zoom into the gun right before he's saying the gun. Okay, so because this is the same clip all over again, so I want to add a black screen with a text on there saying, "Man, I am Batman, man, I am," and then zoom into the Batman. So I'll let this layer be the text layer. Let's just fast travel through this intro right now. I am back, and I just finished the intro. It's edited. It's 10 seconds long, and it isn't the best one, but it's definitely not like how it used to be. I'm gonna show y'all.
Map what the gun said to me, man. I'm bats, man. They should be getting on their knees.
On my knees every day. You see me.
I'm Batman.
The question is like, how do you move from here? Like, you've done your intro, but you still don't know how you can move forward with it. So I am gonna show you how I would do it. I also want to secure the background music. Let's find the right background music that is calm and chill. Man, I've been recording for 40 minutes, bro. How am I gonna edit this footage? Here I'm just gonna adjust. I want this to start right here, and I just want the one tap. Then it's best to start the music again. So we got this gap right here. So I'm gonna zoom into the person that is just over here. I'll just zoom crazy inside. I don't know where he is at the moment. I think he's here. So we're just gonna move through the second last footage right now. What if we add a time lapse? If we add a time lapse, then we can actually show how long it's been standing here. I'm gonna speed up this whole thing, and this whole footage right here, I want it to last for a little under 3 seconds. Okay, this is nice. I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. My guy's scrolling. Yes, this is so fun. This is so fun. And here I'm gonna add a meme footage and some background, some sound effects. I'm gonna add this and a reaction. The sound you're hearing might not be original to what were actually recorded. I'm gonna show you right now what I mean. This reaction is very slow because this numb-ass brain didn't even react to this explosion happening 3 seconds before his reaction. I want this reaction to be just as this explosion is happening. What I'll do, this is the part where the explosion started, right? This both, and just drag this. And here we're gonna do some sound editing. Control B, sound right here. I'm gonna put it here. Increase the volume of this sound. Now the reaction sounds a lot more cooler. Ain't nobody gonna find out I just changed what was said on this specific time, on that time, and all that. So I mean, that's the power of editing. Now we can see like the approach I am taking with editing this video. I want this to be like short, funny, nothing explaining, just showing. You'll see that the video is taking a turn and is starting to fight and that, and then we need to like change up what's happening, change the feel of the video. So once we get there, as so for example right now, wow, the power of editing, yeah. I started by adding this background music, action music. I might link it down below in the comments if you want it for your own video. I want to add a black screen. Yes, man. Hey, you're gonna get a like too, bro. I love this. I'm gonna put it inside here. It's called YTMP3. I can also link that down below in the description if you want to use it. You can just copy the link of whatever you want to download as a video. Yeah, I got this right here. I'm gonna add this around here. Yeah. And then cut everything. Remove this, and I want to also zoom in by myself, because I mean technically I've already zoomed in because I'm aiming, so that you can really see that this person is for this person. Okay, so the rest of the footage, he doesn't speak too much. So how do we move through this? I feel like we just need to take use of some new background music. No, I'm literally just lucky finding the right background music. So now I'm just gonna fast forward the fighting. And that's the video. What? The point is, you can see how much sound editing a video like this needs. And here we can see we have used five different values just for sound, and I can't even count how much different sound and sound effects and music we have used in this 2-minute video. Not even 2 minutes. How long is this? Yeah, just under 2 minutes. But when you get videos like this and you want to make it fun, and also you want to change up things and all that, you have to be ruthless with your cuts and all that. I explain it on a video. I'm gonna link it down below. So yeah, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you would do something different to the video. I mean, I got a lot for you, so be sure to subscribe. Hey, thank you for watching. And thank you for coming in. I appreciate you, man. Let's go. Yo, episode 1 is done. So yeah, man, to the person that thought editing couldn't save this video, well, I just proved you wrong.